India, a land of diverse landscapes and rich history, holds within its heart many hidden gems waiting to be discovered. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the serene backwaters of Kerala, each region has its own unique story to tell. One such treasure is Madhugiri, a town nestled in the Tumkur district of Karnataka. This quaint town is often overlooked, but it holds a charm that is hard to resist. Known for its majestic hill fort, abundant wildlife and serene landscapes, Madhugiri offers a captivating blend of nature and history. The hill fort, standing tall and proud, is a testament to the architectural prowess of ancient times. Join me as we journey to this enchanting destination and uncover its many wonders. From the winding roads that lead to the town to the welcoming smiles of its residents, every moment here is a discovery. Madhugiri's history dates back centuries, with evidence of human settlements from the Neolithic period. The ancient ruins and artifacts found here tell tales of a bygone era. The region's strategic location and fertile lands attracted various dynasties, each leaving their mark on its landscape and culture. From the Hoysalas to the Vijayanagara Empire, each dynasty added layers to Madhugiri's rich tapestry. Today, Madhugiri stands as a testament to India's glorious past, inviting visitors to step back in time and immerse themselves in its rich heritage. The historical sites here are not just remnants of the past, but living stories waiting to be heard. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply seeking a tranquil escape, Madhugiri has something to offer everyone. The lush greenery and serene environment provide a perfect backdrop for relaxation and exploration. Come, let us delve deeper into this captivating destination and explore its hidden treasures. From its historical landmarks to its natural beauty, Madhugiri promises an unforgettable experience. Dominating the Madhugiri skyline is the imposing Madhugiri Hill, home to the second largest monolithic rock in Asia. This colossal rock formation is not just a natural wonder, but also a historical treasure. This imposing granite monolith rises to a height of 3,930 feet, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding plains. The vistas from the top are truly mesmerizing, stretching as far as the eye can see. Perched atop this natural wonder is the magnificent Madhugiri fort, a testament to the region's turbulent past. The fort stands as a silent witness to centuries of history. The fort's history can be traced back to the 17th century, when it was constructed by Raja Hayagauda of the Vijayanagara Empire. His vision and craftsmanship are evident in the fort's robust structure. Over the centuries, the fort changed hands multiple times, witnessing the rise and fall of various dynasties, including the Mysore Kingdom and the British Raj. Each era added its own unique touch to the fort's legacy. Each ruler left their mark on the fort's architecture, resulting in a fascinating blend of styles. The architectural diversity is a visual treat for history buffs and casual visitors alike. Today, Madhugiri Fort is a popular destination for trekkers and history enthusiasts alike. The trek to the top is challenging yet rewarding, offering stunning views at every turn. Each step brings a new perspective, a new story. As you ascend the steep slopes, you will encounter ancient gateways, crumbling ramparts, and remnants of a bygone era. These ruins whisper tales of bravery and resilience. The sense of history is palpable, transporting you back to a time of valor and conquest. The fort's enduring spirit continues to inspire all who visit. Just a short drive from Madhugiri lies the Jayamangali Black Buck Reserve, a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. This reserve is a hidden gem, offering a serene escape into nature. This protected area is home to a thriving population of blackbucks, graceful antelopes known for their striking black and white markings. These elegant creatures are a sight to behold. The reserve is also a sanctuary for a variety of other animal species, each contributing to the rich tapestry of life here. As you traverse the reserve's open grasslands and scrub forests, you might encounter herds of spotted deer, sambar deer, and wild boars. Each step brings a new discovery. Birdwatchers will be delighted by the abundance of avian life, including peacocks, partridges, and various species of raptors. The skies are alive with their vibrant colors and calls. The reserve is a testament to the region's rich biodiversity, showcasing the incredible variety of flora and fauna. The best time to visit the Jayamangali Blackbuck Reserve is during the early morning or late afternoon, when the animals are most active. These times offer the best opportunities for wildlife sightings. A jeep safari is the ideal way to explore the reserve and observe its inhabitants in their natural habitat. The experience is both thrilling and educational. The reserve offers a unique opportunity to connect with nature, providing a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Section 4. trekking through time at Chanarayana Durga. Another historical gem located near Madhugiri is Chanarayana Durga, a hill fort perched atop a rugged hill. This fort, believed to have been built in the 17th century by the Palagar Nayakas, offers a challenging yet rewarding trekking experience. The trek to the top is a journey through time, revealing layers of history. As you ascend the steep slopes, you will encounter ancient gateways, crumbling walls, and remnants of a bygone era. The fort's strategic location provides breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding hills and valleys. The fort is a testament to the region's architectural prowess and historical significance. Chanarayana Durga is a popular destination for adventure seekers and history buffs alike. The trek to the top is an exhilarating experience, and the fort's historical significance adds to its allure. The fort stands as a reminder of the region's rich past and cultural heritage. Section 5. A nature lover's paradise. Beyond its historical landmarks, Madhugiri is a paradise for nature lovers. The town is surrounded by lush greenery, offering ample opportunities for nature walks, photography, and outdoor activities. The serene landscapes provide a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. The gentle hills and valleys surrounding Madhugiri are perfect for leisurely hikes and nature walks. As you explore the region's verdant trails, you will be greeted by an abundance of flora and fauna. The air is fresh and invigorating, carrying the sweet scent of wildflowers. The region is a sanctuary for nature's wonders. For those seeking adventure, the rocky outcrops and hills offer ample opportunities for rock climbing and rappelling. The region's natural beauty makes it a photographer's delight, offering endless opportunities to capture stunning landscapes and wildlife moments. Madhugiri is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Section 6. Cultural heritage and spiritual solace. Madhugiri is not just a place of natural beauty, it is also a town steeped in culture and tradition. The town is home to several ancient temples, each with its own unique history and architectural significance. These temples offer a glimpse into the region's rich cultural heritage. One of the most notable temples in Madhugiri is the Lord Lakshmi Venkateshwara temple. This temple, believed to have been built during the Vijayanagara period, is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. The temple's intricate carvings and towering gopuram, or entrance tower, are a testament to the architectural prowess of the time. The temple is a major pilgrimage site and attracts devotees from far and wide. The annual temple festival is a grand celebration marked by colorful processions, traditional music, and dance performances. The temple is a symbol of the town's spiritual significance. Section 7. Planning your Madhugiri adventure. Madhugiri's pleasant climate makes it a year-round destination, but the best time to visit is during the winter months, from October to February. During this time, the weather is cool and comfortable, ideal for outdoor activities and exploring the region's natural beauty. Madhugiri is well connected by road and is easily accessible from Bangalore, which is approximately 100 kilometers away. The nearest airport is the Kempegowda International Airport in Bangalore. Local buses and taxis are available for transportation within Madhugiri. Accommodation options in Madhugiri range from budget-friendly guest houses to comfortable hotels. The town also has several restaurants serving local Karnataka cuisine, ensuring a delightful culinary experience. Madhugiri, with its blend of natural beauty, historical significance, and cultural richness, is a destination that has something to offer everyone. Whether you are seeking adventure, tranquility, or a glimpse into India's glorious past, Madhugiri is a must-visit.